Hello, my name is Sawan, and again I am here of day 8 of English Communication Challenge through AI. So, today again I did complete two challenges, the challenge number 19 and challenge number 20. So, challenge number 19 that is given to me is uh, if I had a superpower, what it would be. So, as I thought, if I had a superpower, so what kind of that power should be? So I thought that if I had a power, I had a superpower, and I want that to breathe under the water, to fly over the sky, and travel through the time. Okay, if I had a power to breathe under the water, then I would dive into the sea and measure the depth of the sea, and also find the mystery of the ocean, and also find the find the creatures and animals that are still unknown to the mankind. And the next is uh, fly in the sky. So if I had a superpower to fly in the sky, the reason behind is that I want to fly over the tough terrain like Amazon jungle, Sahara desert, and any kind of remote and unreachable place where which is very difficult for the human being to go there and to live there. I want to go there through my fly and live there. That journey is, and that will be a great adventure for me. And the next that superpower is to travel through the time. If I had capacity, yeah, if I have power to travel with the speed of light and to travel with the time, the first thing that I want to know, I would go back to the time when the universe first began, and see the how the universe start. Okay, and also I would like to go to the future where the universe may might end, and that's all. And the next challenge, challenge number 20, uh, what I want to change in myself. So at present, I know that my English communication is uh, too weak. I'm not able to express myself completely and fluently. So I want to improve my English communication because at present time we know that the globalization and the diversity of the world, and the connection between the increasing connection between the world, we need to learn a common language through which we can share our thoughts and our ideas to someone. We need to learn the English. It is kind of necessary. If we take an example of India, in which in India there are 22 official languages, and these everyone has their own mother tongue. And if I want to talk to them, if I want to share my thoughts to them, if we mutually share our thoughts or belief, so we there is a only two things that can be happens, that I can learn their language through which I can share their thought, and I can also accept their ideas. But it is very difficult to learn the 22 language for one person. But if there is a one common language like English, so we all share our thoughts through one language is easily. And also in the world there are, it's a huge world, and there are a huge diversity in this. There are different kind of languages. So to talk to the world and to connect with the people internationally, I it become a necessity to learn the English. Okay, thank you.